today for you guys I have the Hizone Handheld Flux MIG welder. This is something I've never seen before. Pretty cool. It is a MIG 100 handheld flux core machine. It's all in one. I mean, this is all you need. It's basically a spool gun and the welding machine all wrapped in one. Right in the front we have our voltage and we have our wire feed speed. We can select between 030 and 035, and we have the power button. Attached is the grounding clamp and the power, and that is it. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. The top, got two clips, and I believe this should just come swing open like so. This is where we're going to attach the wire. Here's the wire feed. Now on this machine they have a little toggle that releases the wheel and allows you to slide the wire through and feed it. Unlike your standard machines where this little tab you just kind of pull and it unlocks this and this folds open. This isn't like that. It's kind of very simple. You just push that little tab and allows the wire to feed. So why don't we get right to it and put some flux core wire in here and see if this baby works. Okay, got it all, the wire fed through. That worked exactly like I said. Make sure to press that tab, releases the wheel here on the top and allows you to feed the wire through. So let's go power it up. Power's up okay. So I'm guessing you do not really know exactly what amperage you have. I guess you just have to guess that that would be 0, that would be 100. Yeah, there's no actual screen, so we just have to play with those settings and dial it in, trial and error. Let's feed some wire, get it started. We're not feeding here. I'm guessing it's caught in the spring. So after nearly half an hour, I finally was able to feed some wire through. Apparently the liner that's in here was too long and it was getting jammed up on the tip. So I pulled the liner out, removed the tip out, of course, and pulled the liner out. Once the wire fed through, I trimmed the liner to the proper length and then fed the tip on, replaced the nozzle. But I had to go down to the 30. I took out the 35 that I had laying around and used the 30. But we're feeding wire now, so let's go outside and see the Hizone MIG 100 in action. I guess the real question is, something like this actually work? Maybe get you out of a jam in the field. Toss in the truck. Portable, simple. Squeeze the trigger, 2 adjustments. That's all you need. Well, let's find out if this actually can.
Here we have it. That's not too bad. Weld's pretty good. Can definitely handle this 14 gauge with no problem. Let's see if I can't get a new piece set up. Not bad. I mean, I'm not the greatest welder, but that will definitely get it done. You're in a jam and you need to weld something. This may be the option for you. This is sweet little inverter welder, all in one, 100 amp. I had to get from outside. Too many mosquitoes. But I did want to say, I felt like this machine had a lot of power. It says it's 100 amps, and no doubt it is. At no point did it feel like it was falling flat on its nose. You know, I wasn't expecting a whole lot from a small unit like this, but it works, and it works very well. You're not going to take this and weld all day, every day with it. I don't think it's made for that, but it is made for just the everyday homeowner, you know, like guy with the shop, not looking to weld a whole lot, maybe repair something here and there. So take this, throw this on the shelf in your garage, keep it around the house. This little guy here will get you out of a jam, man. Your deck and your lawnmower rusts out and you need to patch it, get you through the summer, whatever the case may be. This will get it done, man. I highly recommend it.